everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are packing for Costa Rica. I have been to Costa Rica before, but just for one day because I went on a cruise. This specific trip is a family trip and we're going to be there for over a week, which is a whole lot of fun. I cannot wait to show you guys all of the outfits that I picked out. We're also going to be trying them on, so let's get to it. So first outfit is this stunning romper that I've had just sitting in my closet collecting dust. I've never been able to wear it because I've just had nowhere to wear it to, but finally we're going on a tropical vacation and I feel like this is the perfect dinner outfit. It's also just so cute for brunch. I love the little orchid detail and the color is just stunning. It'll look so nice with some gold strappy heels, but this is definitely coming with me. I mean, of course, we're bringing vintage Victoria's Secret, like, hello. This one specifically is so tropical and I just feel like it suits the vibes perfectly. This one's also just really cute for a brunch. This one kind of gives me like morning vibes, like daytime. I could also wear it as a beach cover up, but I do love to take good care of my vintage Victoria's Secret, but it is stunning. It's from the year 2000 and it fits me so nicely. Here's another vintage Victoria's Secret piece that I have to take with me. I mean, it can't get any more tropical than this. I love this slip because it's so vibrant and so perfect to just throw over. I love the pattern on this. It's just a stunning piece. Like, look at these flowers on the bottom. It is so beautiful and so perfect for Costa Rica. Here is the final vintage Victoria's Secret piece that I'm taking with me. I actually have the most beautiful story ever to tell you guys. My mom gifted Jose and I a hibiscus plant when we first moved into the house, and it had the most beautiful flower on it, but it fell. I found out that hibiscus flowers die within a few days of blooming, but the amount of buds that this plant has is insane. And there's actually a flower that's coming out soon. I cannot wait to see it. This slip reminds me of my mom gifting me this plant. So I really love this one. I think it's so tropical and just so nice to wear. I recently asked my dad what the itinerary is looking like because my dad is the type of person to just plan everything and I love that. I just sit back and relax and enjoy the festivities. And he had the audacity to send me the giant list of things that we're doing. A lot of them include adventurous activities, which one of them is going horseback riding. You guys already know I'm so excited to go. This would actually be the second time I ever go horseback riding in Costa Rica, so I am just ecstatic about that. And this first time I went, I was wearing a very simple outfit, but this time I am ready. I'm bringing out this stunning top that just drapes over. It is the perfect Western wearable top that is breathable and chic. It's just fabulous. I'm obsessed and I love the material. Here's a pretty casual outfit that I'm bringing. This is just like a simple white crop top that I actually got from Forever 21. And I'm gonna pair it with this gorgeous skirt that I got thrifting. I love the material of this. It's like pure cotton, it's like crocheted, and it fits so nice. I think this is just really nice to maybe go to the pool and put on as a cover up. It's a super comfy outfit, yet so elevated. One thing I love doing is if I'm bringing one top, I like to make multiple outfits from that one top. So that same white tank top that is from Forever 21, I'm also gonna pair it with this yellow skirt that I have been dying to wear out. Like, this is the perfect skirt. I cannot wait to wear it. It's gonna look so chic and so fabulous, yet so put together and simple. Very easy to just stick in my suitcase. When in doubt, go for a white cami like this one and then throw on a sparkly pair of shorts or even a skirt like this and you're good to go. I'm also gonna bring this long dress with me in case we're going to like a very fancy dinner. I love the royal blue color. It just looks so vibrant and nice, and the smocked frill detailing just really brings it back to a tropical feel. So I'm bringing a couple of these tank tops that I recently picked up from Old Navy. I love them and I know the color is literally brown and I did say I was gonna wear more colors, so I might go back to Old Navy and pick up like more vibrant colors for this trip. But I wanted to show you guys the shorts that I'm bringing. These Levi's shorts, I love them so much because they're so comfortable, they're so lightweight, but if you look closely, my cat scratched them, I think last year. So knowing that, I'm like, okay, those are like my shorts that I can just wear for like whatever. If I want to get messy, that's what I'm putting on. So I'm gonna bring these everyday shorts. I think they're perfect for like kayaking because I could just have my bathing suit under. They're gonna get wet, they're gonna get soggy, but that's what it's for. I also have these overalls that I'm going to be bringing because we are walking a national park and I think it's gonna be so stunning. And overalls are just perfect to throw over. These are like my laid back everyday overalls. As you can see, they have a bit of like a distressed feel. They're baggy, they're super duper fun and laid back. And I really wanna have some outfits that I can just feel really comfortable and laid back in when I go to Costa Rica. But one thing about me is I will always be fashionable. I love to keep it cute, yet comfy, casual, and fun. As for heels, I'm definitely bringing these gold strappy flower heels that I'm obsessed with wearing. They're so comfortable, they're not very high, and they just elevate any outfit. Since we're going horseback riding and we're also going on a hike, I'm bringing my cowgirl boots. These are my riding boots, and I know they're gonna get muddy, step and poop, anything. I bring these. So those are all of the outfits that I'm bringing to Costa Rica. I am so excited to take you guys with me. I am gonna be vlogging the whole entire trip. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like and leave a yellow heart emoji and tell me your favorite outfit. I am bringing a couple of really nice ones, and I will see you guys in Costa Rica. Bye everybody.